G'day guys, today we're going to be looking at how to use and set up the Get Active Victoria app for the Red Shoes Rock FASD Awareness Walking Challenge. Alright, so if you go into your preferred app store, whether that be the Apple App Store or Google Play, download the app and go through all the procedures that it asks you to do. Once you've done that, hit the open button or go to your home screen and open the app from there. When you first open the app, it'll come up with this welcome screen, so just click through those options there. Okay, once you've done that, it'll come up with a login screen. If you don't already have an account, click the Join Here button down the bottom, enter your details, and once you've done that, click the I agree to the terms and conditions button. Once that's done, click Create Account. Once you've done that, you'll then get a confirmation email confirming your account. So wait until you've received that until you move on to the next step. If you already have a Get Active Victoria account, just enter your details as you normally would. Alright, from the dashboard, hit the Teams button on the bottom menu, then go into My Teams page. Hit Create a Team, enter your team name. Once you've done that, select the team type. I'm just going to select Other. Once that's done, enter your postcode in there and also include your suburb if it comes up with that option. Once that's done, hit the Create Team button, and now you've successfully created a team. Awesome. Now to invite people to a team, hit the Your Teams button, scroll across on that bottom bar, hit Edit, and invite friends. Okay, so for the Red Shoes Rock Walking Challenge, we're going to get you to invite all of your team members via email and not via their username. Once you've entered their email in there, click the Send Invitation button, and that will send them that invitation to their email. When someone invites you to join their team, you'll get a notification in the app, and that is under the little bell icon up the top right of the screen. Click that and then hit the Team Invitations You've Received button. Hit the Accept button and you're done. Now to connect your team to the Red Shoes Rock FASD Awareness Walking Challenge, you'll need to go to the Get Active Victoria website, log into that. Once you've done that, it should come up with a dashboard. Click on the menu tab in the top right corner, that's the 3 bars there, and click on Teams. Once you're on the Teams page, head on down to the Connect Teams button, then select your team, then paste your link ID from the email we've sent you after you registered. Now you're linked to the walking challenge. Awesome. To track your activity, head back over to the app, click on the tracker icon in the menu bar down the bottom, and enter your activity details, starting from the date, then the activity duration, and make sure in the activity type field that you select walking. And now assign it to the correct team. Once that's done, click Add Activity, and now that has been added successfully. To see your accumulative activities, scroll down a little bit further and you'll see those little scroll across bars there that keeps track of all your activity.